Hi, and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps reveal. Today I'm sharing the brand new 5x7 Pups for Christmas clear stamp set. It is an adorable stamp set with lots of images and Christmas sentiments so you can get started on your Christmas crafting. We have three little puppies, lots of ways to decorate them with reindeer antlers or a hat, plus there's this awesome fireplace where you can hang a garland or some stockings. There are 22 stamps total, with 7 of them being sentiments. We have love, peace, merry, best gift ever, joy, Chris Mutt, and Merry Pupmas, which are adorable puns for your holiday cards. I stamped them all out onto some alcohol marker friendly paper using some alcohol marker friendly black ink, and I've just colored them in using different shades of green and red, which are the perfect colors for traditional holiday cards. I also have colored in my puppies using different shades of brown, and then I've also colored in my fireplace using browns and grays, and of course a warm fire, just to show you what these images could look like once you colored them in. You can either fussy cut out all of these images or use an electronic cutter to cut around them. Here is a slimline card I created using this adorable stamp set. You can find links down below to purchase this stamp set for yourself, as well as a link to see all of the new Whimsy Stamps released today. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you'll join us over on our different social media sites like Instagram and Pinterest and our Facebook group, where you can find even more inspiration of this new release. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have fun shopping.